Biren makes his first visit to Manipur Palace, discusses relation between hills and valley with Laishemba Sanajauba. In his first press meet, Minister Jayanta Kumar says he will work to fulfill the wishes of people. 25-year-old man found dead with bullet wounds at Langol Game Village. And people celebrate Halankar with religious enthusiasm at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple, marking the end of the Outdoor Festival. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchung with the top stories and latest news. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren today made his first visit to the Manipur Palace this morning and met the titular King Laishemba Sanajauba. The Chief Minister discussed the relation between the hills and the valley in the state with Laishemba Sanajauba. Biren bowed before the portraits of the kings of Manipur soon after he arrived at the palace at 8 a.m. to show his respect to them. He said the people of the hills and valley fought together against the British and other invaders to protect the integrity of Manipur. He expressed concern at the lack of unity among the people. Biren appealed to the people to strengthen the unity and integrity of the state. The Chief Minister said it is a priority of the BJP government to bring unity and understanding between the people of the hills and valley. He was optimistic that if due attention is given to the development of the hills, uniform development can be achieved in 5 to 10 years. Biren assured that the encroachment of the territory of the state on Indo-Myanmar border will be looked into and steps will be taken to solve the problem. Chief Minister N. Biren has conveyed his best wishes to the students who are appearing in the High School Living Certificate Examination 2017. The HSLC examination, popularly known as metric examination, begins today. This year, 35,613 students are appearing in the examination. Sanasam Bira, elected member from Kumbi, has been appointed pro tem Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly. He will administer the oath to the newly elected members on Sunday, March 19th. The new Speaker will be elected on March 20. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah will address the Assembly on March 21st. Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar today asserted that he will work to fulfill the wishes of people. Speaking to media for the first time at his residence at Bishum Oinam Laikai after taking oath as a cabinet minister, Jayanta Kumar said issues facing the people of Kaishamthong will be discussed with them and appealed for People's Corporation. He also expressed his gratitude to the people of Kaishamthong for electing him to in the 11th Manipur legislative elections. He assured that he will look into the grievances facing the people of the constituency and make all possible efforts for its development.
Mayam ga punna Aisha lecture ka interaction to ba duga alaman na sing amasung pising na laikai gi oiba tongan makin problems sing da kari pamgi habidu isan hakthing na jingjar matung da madu samko sagat pa gi thabak torkada busimasi yan mating pangbi wa da ayam kasu ai hingjari social issues sing Manipur lairiba kudamana inner light permit system haibugumba territory integrity adi lawji jung chathari makalgi banam blockade amasung lakato makal issue macha singda kamain to what extent we can contribute mating laina to wangamba makalgi wakal mayam du kuloina chokton no honda batna mayam gi mating sa juk changi metric exam haibi quite important loiba makalgi parikha ni adi loina adu sidu natana class 2 ki parikha no munini lairaga hogada busi masita koi mayam na moid mangol sipal piminasi loina.
Election Commission of India said a model code of conduct has ceased to be in operation in Manipur, Goa, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand with immediate effect from March 15. The ECI wrote to the chief secretaries of the 5 states where assembly elections were held regarding this on March 15. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh K.S.H. Bhavananda said has thanked the people for electing 21 BJP candidates in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. In a press release, Bhavananda said the party respects the people's verdict and will not disappoint the party. Bharatiya Janata Party, Haingang Mandal, in a press release, thanked the people of Haingang constituency for electing Nongthombam Biren in the recent assembly elections. Ima Kaithil Lairenbi Lub Holai has congratulated Chief Minister N. Biren and hoped that Manipur will progress under his leadership. The dead body of a young man was discovered at Langol Game Village Type 2 under Lumphel Police Station this morning. The body had 2 bullet injuries in the head allegedly inflicted by a 9mm pistol. The deceased has been identified as Ajay Kumar, aged 25, son of Suresh Prasad from Tilipati, Imphal East. It has been kept at RIMS Morgue and police has registered a case. Meanwhile, the family of the deceased Ajay Kumar said they will not accept the body until the guilty are not produced. It may be mentioned that Ajay Kumar is a differently abled person and ran a pawn shop at New Chekon. He left home last afternoon around 4 for his shop.
Masasi amaga sumana mimana baminate masumna laikai sida no kera dum lai bani amana samana loina mayamna lun taw agang ni hoji pami so mi hatpa khoi sakhang damana sin tawbi se kari maram gi tawbiri meo khoi chapchabi khangdri bodi khoi lauja ki roi sakta je kari maram gi hatpano kari gi no ha se khangba pan
ngang sina ka tu karan lan na tawba dum ba leite ma handicap oiba masani pan dukan phamaga leijabane new chekonda mabu maram cha dana Masakang da basing na hatuk pi base Manipur government na atu matam de action lokhot piu mi hat pa buthok piu adu matung da mi hat pa gi tangta bi government ga yanaba ma leiraba matung da ikoi asi balau jagani hairiba manung sida di ikoi asi balau jakiroi kari marang gi hapi bano haibasi tangta bi asing buthok piu buthok ga asi balau jagani.
JAC formed in connection with the murder of Ajay Kumar demanded punishment for those involved in his death. It has also submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister. Meanwhile, the residents of Minuthong Telipati blocked the road from Minuthong to Lamlong and held a sit-in the afternoon around 3. Movement of traffic was disrupted due to the protests by the people. Imphal West Commander arrested a cadre of People's Liberation Army (PLA) today. The arrested cadre is identified as Kangembam Inao alias Kayum, 40 years, son of Shyam Kumar from Kumbi Singchaibi, who is staying at Singtamai Chingamakong, Chongtham Lekai. Inao was arrested by a team of Imphal West Commando led by OC Commando Tangampao under the supervision of additional SP Dr. S. Ibomcha. Sources said he has been working under self-styled Captain Ranjit of PLA. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. High School Leaving Certificate Examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur began today. A number of 35,613 students are appearing in the examination. The examination is being held at 93 centers, the breakup being 21 board centers and 72 private centers. The authorities have imposed Section 144 of CRPC around the examination centers to ensure free and fair examination. The board has constituted for member 66 flying squad teams. Secretary Board of Secondary Education Manipur in a press release said the examination for English paper for external candidates in the HSLC examination held today in all private centers has been rescheduled on April 1st. The examination was cancelled due to the lapses in the center-wise distribution of question papers. 2 candidates were expelled on the first day of the Class 10 examination. One student was expelled at Samuro while another was expelled at Saparmaina for impersonation. Manipur Students Federation MSF today seized copying material at the examination center on the first day of the Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM. MSF President Kundrapa Max told the media persons that in some examination centers teachers were found distributing copying materials to students. He said MSF Volunteers conducted drive at examination centers under BOSIM's directive to Joint Students Coordinating Committee JSCC. During the drive, the volunteers found a woman invigilator at Praja High School at Lamsang distributing notes of notice writing to the students.
Sara Singh na natapa mai sinari da oza Singna Sara Singhi note sembiduna Sara Singh yen batherangi MSF ki volunteer na note yeling da oza da khana phajabada oza note adu PB oza MSF ta sena da mohta makhanau da chasingi ba ko yaujaki MSF na ngasi drop service Manipur da inklaiba tungi miron habdi Sara Singhi afaba khunai sem dangta khona drop chajabani boating meeting Makada MSF Self Drive Sida Manipur Labor Oza Singna Afaba Kunayamas Shembagi Daida Lobby Mota Oza Karana Sara Singh Natapami Sinabagi Lambi Talamatasin Wajade.
Pangal Students Organization PSO in the press release that PSO volunteers visited CC Higher Secondary School, Temple of Learning and TG Higher Secondary School on the first day of HSLC examination and found that the examination was conducted in a free and fair manner. Manipuri Students Federation MSF has banned all kinds of entertainment from today till the end of the board examinations conducted by CBSE, BOSIM and COSIM. MSF in a press note warned of a year-long ban on any organization found organizing entertainment program during these days. Indo Myanmar Association Manipur has condoled the death of Kakching Tabam Sundar Gopal Sharma in a road accident near Manoa. He was coming to receive members of civil society organizations from Manipur in Mandalay. The association in a press release said Sundar Gopal Sharma worked for the welfare of the Manipur people. Manipur Cultural Integration Conference has also condoled his death. Mitai Iek Irol Sindam Chayeng Naba, organized by Mitai Iek Irol Loisenlol Punbalup Milal, every year will held on May 7th this year. Speaking at a press meet held at Milal's office near Imphal Municipal Corporation, Milal President Tokchong Babul Chan appealed to students in the state to participate in the competition. He praised Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren for taking oath in Mitai Loan and appreciated his efforts to promote Manipuri. Childline Imphal is organizing an exhibition of paintings by children of childcare institutions of Imphal East and West at the Conference Hall of Manipur Mahila Kalyan Samiti, Dula Land on March 19 in connection with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Childline has requested the public to visit the exhibition to encourage the children. People today celebrated Halankar after the 5-day Yaushang festival. Halankar was celebrated at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple in Sagolband. Devotees carried the idol of Vishnu in a procession from Sri Sri Govindaji Temple at Palace Compound till Sri Sri Bijoy Govindaji Temple. General Secretary of Bijoy Govinda Seva Committee R.K. Bijoy said Halankar was celebrated from the time of Bhagya Chandra Maharaj uncles Ananda Singh, and this year Halankar was at 238 one. He also said Halankar marks the end of the 5-day Yaushang festival.
Govindagi Halankar haibase Yaushanggi Punima matung tarukni kon base sahi khudingi Bijoy Govinda Lampakta akoi konungdagi Vishnu lengdaraga Holy Dol mayam na koi magi haijabak singjaba mayam putokduna Bijoy Govindagi Lampak seda Yaushanggi aloiba kumai oina Holy se Halankar haibase masi pangthui Bhagya Chandra Maharaj matamdagi adum sathara kuduna Handak pangthui base saniga kuntraga nipalak suba koi thokdokne.
Now to sports news. In a match of the MCA Luang Pokpa T20 Cricket Trophy played today, Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai beat Youth Welfare Club Patsoi by 60 runs. In a match Eastern Sporting Union Wankai won the toss and elected to bat first and made 157 for 9 in the given 20 overs. In reply, Youth Welfare Club Patsoy made only 97 runs for 8 in 19.2 overs. Eastern Sporting Union Wankai all-rounder Mihul was declared the man of the match. In the 31st league match winning the toss, RRCC Churachandpur elected to bat first and made 113 for 9 in 20 overs. In reply, Sangay Champion Cricket Club Singtamay reached a target runs in 16 overs, losing only 5 wickets, winning the match by 5 wickets. Sangay Champion Cricket Club Singtamay bowler Boris was declared the man of the match. KIYC K3 Irul Mapal will play YAC High School, while Trau Kwakathel will play Blue Hawk Kurai tomorrow. The first TH Birchandra Veteran Invitation Football Tournament will kick off tomorrow. The tournament is organized by TH Birchandra Singh Football Academy, Tabungkok, at its ground. TBS FA Tabungkok will play BMFAM in the first match tomorrow. Manipur Badminton Association has called for setting up of a district-level badminton association in all districts. It asks all associations to be member of the MBA by March 31st in order to promote the game in the state. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren makes his first visit to Manipur Palace, discusses relation between hills and valley with Laishemba Sinachauba. In his first press meet, Minister Jayanta Kumar says he will work to fulfill the wishes of people. A 25-year-old man found dead with bullet wounds at Langbol Game Village. And people celebrate Halankar with religious enthusiasm at Sri Sri Govinda Temple, marking the end of Yaukshang festival.